What's up guys, Jimmy here. So today we're going to do something out of the ordinary. Today I'm changing up my desk setup. Now I know what you're thinking, Jimmy, you changed this a couple months ago. Yeah, but the type of person I am is I like to just move things around all the time. And here's why I'm doing this. One, my cable management, it's garbage. It's straight up garbage. Just look at it. It's messy, it's unorganized, I hate it. Number two, I just bought some LifX LED strips that I just want to trick out my desk with. I want the LED strips to be a nice accent piece instead of something that's just overly crazy. These LifX strips are kind of expensive. They go from $90 to $100 depending on which type of package you're looking for, coming with 2 or 3 strips. What sets the strip apart is that it's smart home compatible, which means it'll work well with Amazon Alexa, HomeKit, and Google Home. So what do you guys think? Should I review this strip? Number 3, I'd like to make this setup a little more Mac friendly. Right now, the only thing I have connected to this display is my personally built PC, which is great and all, but sometimes I'd like to be able to dock my Mac and use that on the big screen. So I bought a couple of things like a new mouse, the MX Master 2S in white. I know you've seen this mouse before in black in one of my videos, but I decided to switch out for a white one because I like the aesthetic a little bit better. Bought some dongles because USB-C requires so many different types of dongles. Gotta switch up my dongle game. I also bought some mounting tape to help mount some stuff that needs mounting. So yeah, I'm revising this desk. Part 1 out of 2. Let's get started. Looks like those LED lights are working. These things are bright. Look at this. Wow, okay. Let's continue setting it up.